Hey guys, it's me Kirti and welcome back to new tutorial with me. This Diwali, I leveled up the game of my home decor using coasters and chalk paints by CrafTangles. This DIY hack was super quick and easy to make. I started off straight away with the chalk paints using bright colors from my collection of CrafTangles chalk paints. Then I spruced it up with gold chalk paint and at the end I dazzled it with stencil. At the end I simply added tea lights to them using double-sided velcro and ta-da, they were ready. Stay tuned till end to see how they looked on my wall, and if you like it do let me know in the comments, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe.